Hi, my name is Mohit Vashne, and for this video, I'll be talking about universal basic income. So, the universal basic income policy is like an idea of an unconditional cash payment paid to everyone. Or, in other words, we can say it is a regular cash income paid on an individual basis without work requirement or any conditionality, which actually eliminates the discrimination as it treats everyone equally and therefore empowering people's participation in the society. And also, it places a trust in the poor and improves the power of women in financial decision making. And recently, it has gained a lot of attention because it appeals that partly linked to the major social economic trends being observed across the world, and including remaining levels of poverty and growing inequality. So the intrigue is also rooted in the perceived risk of job losses due to the technological advancement, as we have seen that these new advancements in because of Industry 4.0 or automation that took so many jobs of people who are able to do basic job requirements in many organizations. So to overcome that problem, UBI is being considered as a potential solution to many socio-economic challenges confronted by the world today. So the discussion only lies on the feasibility of this policy, as you guys already has been kicked off from many countries, ranging from highly developed to emerging and transitioning economies. It is observed that increasing income inequality at a global level is due to the concentration of private capital. And according to World Inequality Report of 2018, we have seen that the national income received by top 10% of the adult population is from 55% is in India. Uh, and because of that, India comes in the top among the top three countries which have the highest income inequality with Brazil and United States. And also the report showed the rise of income inequality in India has its roots in the era of liberalization and deregulation. And well, it is not wrong to say that the rationale of universal basic income is sanctified under Article 38 of Indian Constitution, which actually aims to eliminate the income inequalities by preventing the concentration of means of production amongst few individuals in order to promote social economic welfare. In developing countries like India, universal basic income can improve financial and social inclusion by providing basic income to every individual so they can carry on with their task and do their jobs, and also being financially stable. But there is a dilemma regarding this, the nature of universal basic income, as in kind income transfer through larger public sector spending in education, health, and basic service rather than cash transfer has been provided by the other economists. So, like cash transfer can replace the in-kind transfer, like public distribution system, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee System, or midday meal schemes in India, which are required to strengthen the food security and rural economic development. So, therefore, few economists suggest that basic income must supplement social welfare state provision, and also that universal basic income is not the sole policy which can help in the social economic welfare. There are many other social policies also. uh, we also have seen that even after the 7 decades of Indian independence, statistics showed that one of every five Indians is poor. This means the poverty was not eradicated completely. So universal basic income is a need of an hour to, so we can, the statistics of the country can be on the good state. And universal basic income is a policy that can actually respond to this crisis of inequality and poverty in a very good way. And we have also seen that during the COVID-19 pandemic, that many MSME sectors and other small entrepreneurs have kicked out their labor forces just because they are having very financial instability in their businesses. So to cut down on the expenses, they have kicked off their labor from their businesses, and which lead to uh, more and more problem to the society. as they are not getting any income. And MSME sector is one of the major sector which actually helped in providing the income to these poor sectors of the society. So in conclusion, I have to say that universal basic income is a need of an hour to overcome this problem.